while. Super appreciate that you have been engaged. We have, over the last several months, seen thousands of views on our Thursday Thought. And you may be wondering, why in the world do we do this? Well, we do it for one simple reason. There's a whole lot in the world around us that will drain us. And I hope that these videos kind of help you feel filled up and energized and ready to take on the day. So I have a thought for you. Today's thought is real simple. I don't want to make noise. I want to make a difference. There's an incredible Bible verse in 1 Corinthians chapter 13 that really says this: I could speak with tongues of men and angels, but if I don't have love, I'm just a sounding gong or a clanging cymbal. In other words, love at the center of everything is what enables you, what enables me to be a difference maker. Without the core value, the core of God's love working through us, no matter how good our deeds are, no matter how eloquent our words are, we might just be making noise. And I don't want to make noise. Life is too short to make noise and make a huge commotion. I want to make a difference. And the way we do that is with love, because love is a difference maker. If you want to up your game of being a difference maker, I want to invite you to say this prayer over the next few weeks, over the next few days. Ask God to enlarge your capacity to love the world around you. Just simply say, God, help me love people the way you love them. This simple prayer is one that God answers every single time. So pray this prayer every day this week and watch your life change from being one filled with noise and making noise to transforming into a life that's making a difference. My name's Josh. This is Thursday's Thought. Help me encourage someone else by spreading the word and sharing this video. Like it. Tell me what your thoughts are in the thread below. If you haven't already, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time on Thursday's Thought.
Shine your light forever and ever. Shine your light, shine your